Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Beauty by Angelica23. So I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette right now, and I'm going to use the color Silk Cream, and I'm using that as my transition color. As you can see, I already had put on my foundation. I used MAC's foundation and my concealer and my setting baking. Ugh. So I'm using that color, and I'm just going to do a windshield wipeberries motion. That's going to be my transition color. Blend, 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 blend. Going in and grabbing the color in Hunts, and that's going to be my color that's going to pop out the most. It's more my bright color, so then I'm just going to blend it into my transitioning color in slow motions. So it looks really bold right there, but I'm going to blend that out so it's not so bold, but still looks really good. And this is like my everyday look, especially when I'm going somewhere with my kids. I want to get ready really fast. This look takes me not too long to get ready. So I'm blending those two colors in. You can already see the transition between them. Now I'm just blending that, smoothing it all out, making sure no harsh lines. Sorry, when I'm nervous, I play with my hair a lot. So there you can see it going back and forth. Now I'm going in with my flat brush, and I'm going to mix the colors Faint and Sissy as my base color. So I'm just patting that. You can also wet the brush with Fix Plus if you want more of a dramatic look. But I wasn't going for something dramatic. I was going for something subtle. Well, wouldn't consider it too subtle, but that's natural to me. So now I'm going in with the color. I'm going in with the color Chip, and I'm blending that out. That's going to be my darkest color that I'm going to use today. It's not too dark, but it's more darker than the rest of the colors. And that's just going to be on my outer crease, and I'm going to use like a C motion and blend that out. So now you can see how beautiful those blend together. Sorry, I've been getting a cold too. So I'm putting on some Tarte mascara, and I just put one base coat on top, and then so that way when I put my eyelashes on, and right here I'm just buffing out all my setting powder. Also put it on the line of my nose. Under my eye, I'm going in with the Hunts again and just blending that out in the waterline. There I go again, playing with my hair. So I'm using Demi G, upside down, Demi G by Coco Lashes. And I get those at Forever Beauty Chino. And one of my favorites are Demi G, especially because I wear glasses, so those work good because they don't hit my lens. I like to move the band, and I like this mascara. This eyelash glue, it's called CALLAS, and I feel like it stays on all day, and I like it more than Duo Glow. Except I feel like it does waste faster because it gets really tacky and it sticks together, so a lot of the product dries out. I like to lift my eye when I put my eyelashes on, center them, and then squeeze them onto my regular lashes. Now, adding a little bit of color to the inner corner of my eye. And there goes my eyelash. It looks like it was lifting. I'm going to get some Huda Beauty. I don't remember. Oh, I was looking for a brush. So I'm going to use this Morphe brush and I'm going to highlight. Glow, glow, glow. Now to finish off my look, I put another coat of mascara on the top and the bottom of my lashes. I really don't have a mascara that I like in preference because I use such dramatic lashes. I mean, it's just basically used for like one coat or two. So now I'm looking for my lip liner. Excuse the bobby pin that's in my hair. So I just have my lip liner and I'm just gonna line my lips. I like to go over my lips just to make them look more dramatic. So now I'm gonna use my curly lips and this is the more nude color that I'm using. I really like this color. It's subtle, it's pretty, and I love the gloss on top of it. So now I'm just making it look more plump, my lips, by putting the gloss. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. Being dramatic, okay. Bye.